Kalansay na. Wala ang nangyari dyan.
So yun na nga mga guys, no. So itong CB na to, binakas na natin na isa-isa yung makina, lahat ng parts na meron to. So kailangan natin bakasin, kailangan natin linisin, isaayos, palitan yung dapat palitan. So ito mga knuckle bearing, papalitan natin yan. So nabaklas na natin. So ito yung sira, inner tube nya. So yun nga guys, bumili nga pala ako ng inner tube. Ito galing Shopee. So ang binili ko is yung pang CT100. Mas mura siya guys, no? Nabili ko na siya ng 550. So titestingin natin kung pares na pares. Sana pares na pares. So yun guys, no? Update ko kayo bago natin maisalpak to. Siguro mga 1 to 2 days ko pa bago mabuo to lahat. Kasi hindi ako lahat nakatutok dito, no? Hindi buong oras ko sa isang araw nakatutok dito. So pa isa-isa pipinturahan ko lahat yan. So monoshock, sana matuloy. Wala pa yung monoshock natin. And paint ng mugs. So ayan guys, update ko kayo. Babush!
You were that. You made it happen. I am now. You picked me to be your servant, to enable changes to benefit all. I fully understand the gravity of the responsibility that you put on my shoulders. I do not take it lightly, but I am ready for the task. I will need your help. I want to rely on it, but rest assured I do not predicate success on the wide cooperation that's needed. I will get it done. I once knew a man who saw what little had been achieved since independence in a land of people with the greatest potential for achievement, and yet they were poor. But he got it done, sometimes with the needed support, sometimes without. So will it be with his son. You will get no excuses from me. I am here not to talk about the past. I am here to tell you about our future. A future of sufficiency, even plenty, of readily available ways and means to get done what needs doing. By you, by me. We do not look back, but ahead. Up the road that we must take to a place better than the one we lost in the pandemic. Days made and lost, opportunities missed, well-laid plans superseded by the pandemic. Indeed, ours was the fastest growing economy in ASEAN by ways now outdated. We shall be again by a radical change in the way the world must now work to recover what we have lost in that time and move on from there. We face prospects of the spread of the war abroad, of which we are totally blameless. We seek friendship with all. But our countries like ours will bear the brunt of it. And if the great powers draw the wrong lessons from the ongoing tragedy in Ukraine, the same dark prospect of conflict will spread to our part of the world. Yet, there is more out there. Like going forward by new ways of doing that the pandemic forced us to adopt. A stronger resilience, quicker adaptability. They are our best prevention. They are our best protection. Quiet reflection in a rough and tumble campaign of a breadth and intensity never experienced reveals some of them. Such as a willingness to listen despite the noise, the hesitation to quarrel over differences, and to never ever give up hope of reconciliation.
So yun guys, no, nakabit na natin yung bago natin shock. Then nalagyan natin siyang gold bolts. So pininturahan ko na rin yung body frame nya, then yung manibela. So yun guys, no, yung ano na lang, mugs. So let's go. kasi binatapos na natin yung mga climate na portable spray.
Parang bago ah.
So yun nga mga guys, no? Natapos ko na pinturahan yung mugs. So yan guys, simpleng pintura lang gamit ko dyan eh. Ano lang, boss nilang eh. Pero tatapalan ko pa yan ng top coat. Ito yung pinalitan na rin natin ng putres, gold bolts. Yan, kabilaan yan. So ito naman, diba? Yan guys, ito yung pang City 100. So ito yung original parts niya ng inner tube. So susukatin natin kaano parehas. So guys, medyo maiksi siya ng 1 inch. Yan. Maiksi ng 1 inch yung pang City 100. So ito yung original. Konti na naman, mga 1 inch lang, pero okay na to. Lowered siya ng konti.